Hello everybody. Today we will continue with microorganisms, friend and foe. In our last video, we have discussed about these microorganisms. They can be bacteria, spiral or rod shaped. They can be of many shapes. Algae, example is Chlamydomonas spirogyra. Protozoa, example is amoeba and paramecium. Fungi, these are different types of fungi. This is bread mold and these are viruses. These all are microorganism or microbes. They can be seen with microscope. Now friend and foe. Friendly microorganisms, they are used in preparation of medicine, production of alcohol, increased soil fertility, cleaning of environment, prevention of diseases by vaccine, etc. Lactobacillus bacteria convert milk into curd, and yeast is used in making of bread, pastries, cakes, in the production of alcohol and wine. When alcohol is produced, the natural sugars are used, like these natural sugars are found in barley, wheat, rice, fruit, juices. So yeast convert these natural sugars into alcohol, and this process is known as fermentation. Fermentation is a process in which natural sugars are converted into alcohol by yeast, and Louis Pasteur first discovered this process. Microbes are also used as medicinal use is there. Antibiotic penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1929. These antibiotics kill microbes and save us from diseases. Antibiotics can be prepared from bacteria or fungi. Some of the antibiotics we use are streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin. They can be in the form of tablets, capsule or injections. Antibiotics mixed with feed of livestock and poultry, and they check microbes का इन्फेक्शन जो होता है इनमें लाइवस्टॉक और पोल्ट्री में चिकन्स वगैरह आते हैं, तो वी गिव एंटीबायोटिक्स to them by mixing with their feed. And antibiotics are also used for many plant diseases also. There was a scientist, Edward Jenner, who discovered vaccine for smallpox in 1708. When disease carrying microbes enter our body, the body produces antibodies टू फाइट द इन्वेडर्स. जब भी हमारी बॉडी के अंदर कोई माइक्रोब्स आएंगे तो हमारी बॉडी प्रोड्यूस करेगी एंटीबॉडीज़ जो उन माइक्रोब से लड़ती है. द बॉडी आल्सो रिमेंबर हाउ टू फाइट माइक्रोब्स इफ़ दे एंटर अगेन. अगर हमारी बॉडी में फिर वो कभी एंटर करेंगे तो बॉडी याद रखेगी और उनके साथ फाइट करेंगी दीज एंटीबॉडीज़. और इसीलिए इफ़ डेड और वीकेंड माइक्रोब्स आर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन ए हेल्दी बॉडी, अगर हेल्दी बॉडी में डेड या जो बहुत वीक माइक्रोब्स हैं उनको इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाए, उनको एंटर किया जाए, तो बॉडी विल फाइट एंड किल देम बाय प्रोड्यूसिंग सूटेबल एंटीबॉडीज़. तो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर एंटीबॉडीज़ आ गई हैं, जबकि डेड या वीकेंड माइक्रोब्स ही इंट्रोड्यूस किए थे बॉडी के अंदर. अब ये एंटीबॉडीज़ जब भी कोई ऐसा माइक्रोब इंट्रोड्यूस होगा जिसकी ऑलरेडी हमारे अंदर एंटीबॉडीज़ हैं, तो दे विल फाइट विद दैट. तो एंटीबॉडीज़ रिमेन इन द बॉडी एंड वी आर प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम द डिजीज़ कॉजिंग माइक्रोब्स. दिस इज़ हाउ ए वैक्सीन वर्क्स. तो वैक्सीन ही है जो डेड या वीकेंड माइक्रोब से बनी है और हमारी बॉडी के अंदर इंट्रोड्यूस की जाती है. कॉलरा, टीबी, स्मॉल पॉक्स, हेपेटाइटिस कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड बाय वैक्सीनेशन. Pulse polio program. In this, polio drops are given to children. These polio drops act as vaccine. These are vaccine. These days, vaccines are made on a large scale from organisms, from microorganisms to protect humans and other animals from several diseases. These microorganisms increase soil fertility. Some bacteria like rhizobium, we have studied about them, which are found in the roots of leguminous plants, and they fix the nitrogen from air, free nitrogen from air, into nitrates. Similarly, blue-green algae and rhizobium both are able to fix nitrogen from air to enrich soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. And these are called biological nitrogen fixers because they fix nitrogen. Now, cleaning environment. How environment is clean? जितना भी organic waste है from plants and animals, this is decomposed by microorganisms. This is degraded by microorganisms. In this process, manure can be formed, and the harmful and smelly substances also, they are degraded by microorganisms, and our environment becomes clean. Next is sewage treatment and biogas formation. Microbes are used to decompose sewage and animal waste to get biogas, and this biogas can be used for many purposes. Many microorganisms are harmful also. They spoil our food. Infection and non-infectious diseases, food poisoning, disease in animals, plants, humans, ठीक है ना, they take place. तो harmful microorganisms are called pathogens. They are called pathogens. They cause diseases in humans, animals and plants also. In humans, these pathogens are carried by air, water, food or physical contact. When an infected person spread disease through air, water, food, physical contact to a healthy person, then we call it a communicable disease or infectious disease. It is transferring from a diseased person from a patient to a healthy person. Cholera, common cold, chickenpox, TB यानी tuberculosis are communicable diseases. Some diseases are also spread through carriers. Carriers can be insects or animals. Insects like fly, mosquitoes, they are carriers of diseases. Female Anopheles, this is a mosquito. Female Aedes is also a mosquito. Anopheles spread parasite of malaria from infected to a healthy person, and Aedes carry dengue virus from infected to a healthy person. तो इनको रोकने के लिए if we save us from mosquitoes, so we can save us from these diseases also. In humans, some diseases are caused by bacteria such as TB, cholera and typhoid. They spread through TB through air, cholera through water and food, and typhoid through water. If contaminated water or food is taken, then we get these diseases. And if we take boiled water, proper food, hygienic food, then we will not have these problems. Viral diseases are measles, spread through air, chickenpox through air and contact, polio through air and water, and hepatitis B through water. Protozoa is malaria parasite is a protozoa and it spreads through mosquitoes. In animals, bacterial disease, there is a bacteria called Bacillus anthracis. Robert Koch discovered this Bacillus anthracis, and this caused disease called anthrax in humans and cattle. Virus cause a disease called foot and mouth disease of cattle. In plants also, bacteria cause citrus canker. It spreads through air and it attacks citrus fruits like oranges, mosambi, lemon, etc. Rust of wheat spread through air and seeds. It is a fungal disease. 20% loss in crops is there if a crop is having rust of wheat disease. Wheat and barley are affected by this. Yellow vein mosaic of bhindi is a viral disease. It is spreading through virus, and these viruses are carried away by insects. Several microorganisms causes diseases in plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, apple and others. Now comes food preservation. Food preservation is we have to save our food from the attack of microorganisms. 3 methods are there: chemical methods, heat and cold treatment, storage and packing. In heat and cold treatment we put our food, vegetables, fruits in fridge because it is having less temperature. Pasteurization. Louis Pasteur discovered this process. In this process, milk is heated to about 70 degrees centigrade for 15 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilled and stored. It can be consumed without boiling because there are no organisms in this. Storage and packing में we dry vegetables or fruits and put them in sealed air tight packets to prevent from microbes. फूड प्रिजर्वेशन के लिए जो केमिकल मेथड है, इन दिस मेथड chemicals are used. These chemicals can be salt, edible oils, acids like vinegar. Especially for pickles these are used. Fish and meat are covered by dry salt. Salt is used for amla, tamarind and raw mangoes also. Sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfite are two preservatives which are used in jams and squashes. Sugar is also a preservative which is used in jams, squashes, jellies. Sugar reduces the moisture content and this helps to save these things from microorganisms. So these are methods of food preservation, and this is all for today. Thank you very much.